Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable handoff on iPhone on iOS 15.1 and up. First, you're going to need to go into Settings. From there, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select General. Then you're going to select AirPlay and handoff. And here you can see that my handoff is enabled. And by enabling handoff, it lets you start something on one device and instantly pick it up on the other device using your iCloud account. So if you wanted to disable it, you'll simply tap on it and turn it to gray. And that's how to disable handoff on iPhone. And to enable it, you'll simply tap on it and turn it to green. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to enable or disable handoff on iPhone. Hello, welcome to Simple Answers.